The Q7 was experiencing persistent misfires, which were traced back to a faulty fuel injector. Additionally, a less common but known issue with these newer generation 3.0 engines was identified. Coolant had migrated into the vacuum system, leading to faults that required attention. Addressing this issue was critical to restoring the vehicle's performance. To ensure reliability and precision, all replacement parts used were OEM, guaranteeing perfect fitment and optimal operation. With the repairs completed, this Q7 is ready to hit the road again, performing like new, smooth, powerful, and trouble-free, just as it was meant to be.